Hello, my amazing artists. So today we are going to be reviewing the different types of shapes, and we're going to look at the differences between geometric and organic shapes. So, quick review. A shape is when a line comes back to where it begins. So, a circle is a geometric shape. A triangle is a geometric shape. So what is an organic shape? Well, organic means natural, okay? Like organic milk. We see that at the grocery store. But organic means that it's a natural type of milk, okay? So a natural shape would be something like that. That could be a puddle. It could be a cloud, okay? It's stuff that is found outside in nature. How about this shape? A leaf, okay? But did my line start and stop where it began? Absolutely, okay? So let's go take a look at the difference between the two types of shapes. All right, let's go. So geometric shapes, they are the types that normally have names like triangle, circles, ovals, squares. We often talk about them in math class because math and art go hand in hand. We often think of them as being perfectly shaped. They have straight lines, or you can measure them with a ruler or a compass. And now let's take a look at those geometric shapes. This painting by Piet Mondrian uses straight lines to make squares and rectangles. This one was created by Paul Klee. You can see many types of squares and rectangles and shapes in his art. Organic shapes are the opposite of geometric shapes. We often find them in nature. You may have heard of organic milk or organic vegetables. That just means that they are natural, found outside in nature. Okay, so some shapes are clouds, raindrops, puddles. Okay, they kind of look like blobs, animals, seashells. All right, so these are the natural shapes, often found outside. They are not perfect. We sometimes call them a free form because they could be blobs or move. So now let's look at organic shapes in art. This one is by Henry Matisse. He used to cut out shapes out of paper in weird, blobby, organic shapes. Georgia O'Keeffe drew large paintings of objects like leaves and flowers. It's time to play geometric or organic. I am going to be showing you a picture. You are going to take a quick look at it and decide, are the shapes in it geometric or organic? Is this painting a geometric or organic? It is geometric. Is this picture geometric or organic? You're right, it is geometric. How about this one? This one is organic. Good job. How about this one? This one's tricky. I would say this is geometric because of all the straight lines in the object. Is this one geometric or organic? Definitely geometric with all those skinny little triangles. How about this one? This one is organic with all those flowy mountainsides on the water. Under the sea, is this organic or geometric? This one is definitely organic with all those flowy seaweed. And how about this one? Is it geometric or organic? Tricked ya! They are both in there. You can see circles and stars as well as organic, flowy, weird shapes. So if you remember back before December when all the holiday stuff was coming in, we did a geometric shape drawing. Okay, we used triangles and rectangles, and you could create any picture you wanted. Well, now we're going to do the back side and focus on organic shapes. Okay, so grab your workbook, grab some drawing and coloring supplies, and I'm going to show you what to do. All right, so I've got my workbook and I've opened it up to the I can draw a picture using organic shapes. Okay, so think of natural shapes, blob shapes, seashells, leaves. Okay, there's some examples up here. The fun thing about organic shapes is they can be inventive, like a monster or a blobby alien from outer space. Okay, so I'm going to start drawing some organic shapes and see where it takes me. That's kind of cool. That could be a ghost, or I think it kind of looks like a giant octopus with tentacles. Look at all of these weird shapes. That's kind of cool. All right. Can you add some geometric shapes? Absolutely. Okay, because I'm going to need some circles for eyes. Maybe he's having a silly day. Hello. And of course he's in the ocean, so let's draw some seaweed. That looks kind of neat. And let's have a fish hiding behind the seaweed. They like to do that. Okay. So once you've drawn your organic shape picture, color it, make it look fabulous, and then take a picture and send it back to me in the Google Classroom. Can't wait. All right, so here is my finished picture. I've got lots and lots of organic shapes. I've got flowy seaweed and round wavy tentacles, and then even my fish. Those are all natural shapes, okay? So you're going to draw a beautiful picture with lots of organic shapes. Color it nicely. You can use whatever you want. This one I did with crayons, and then I actually did a watercolor wash over it. But you could do colored pencils, you could do crayons, markers, as long as it doesn't bleed through. So do a good job, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. All right, so make sure you take a picture of it and send it to me in the Google Classroom so I can see your awesome artwork. All right, bye guys.